Good morning, ma'am. Today we are going to do the experiment and we are going to observe that how a fire needs oxygen to burn. So today we are going to follow a simple principle which will show us that if I light the candle and then I put a glass on it, the air inside will burn and in some time will be over. So if I put a glass and then before lighting the candle, let's do it.
No, don't keep it on that. Throw it on the floor.
We are gonna do this. I have also put some water in the plate. The candle is starting to die and then it had died. Now we are going to observe that water has lifted here. The level of the water in the plate is like this much, but in the glass it is this much, like 1 or 2 inches thick. This is also a bonus experiment. This happens because when the fire burns, it causes a vacuum which causes to lift the water. Let's do it again one more time. See, the water level slowly rises because of the vacuum. And you can also observe there are bubbles forming because of the vacuum. Because there is some gap, some air can get through. And when I lift the glass, there will be a sound. Listen to this. Have you heard? Thank you for watching, respected teachers.